Guys, today I'm gonna be river rafting on my boat. It's gonna be awesome. So here I am rafting down the river. The river is really blue and there are no fish. So I'm just rafting, yeah? Pretty serene and quiet. Not all that much. Just a peaceful ride and hey, I'm going faster. Oh shoot. It's a waterfall! Oh my gosh! We're going down a waterfall! Ah! Oh shoot! Ah! 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 Where are we, guys? It's a pretty weird place. Is that a fort over there? Whoa! That felt like a pitfall trap. What was that? I swear I just saw something move. I think it was really big, like a person or something. I'm gonna explore inside of here now. Oh, it's kind of like a house of some sorts. Wait, I feel like there's something behind me. Oh, ah! Ah! Thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to subscribe and like the video if you want more content like this. Also, not only do you subscribe to me if you subscribe, but you can help the robot duck save the world. Yeah, that's why the robot duck is shooting at the subscribe button. It wants you to subscribe. Yes, you. Because if you don't subscribe, then the robot ducks will not save the world and we're all gonna die to climate change. So anyways, thanks for watching, and as always, goodbye!